Alright, so let's move on to the another modify tool that we have in Autocad, which is offset. So using the offset command is very easy. We'll use the offset command to create a few more internal walls inside my floor plan, which I have already done. The boundary of the floor plan is already there. We just have to do the internal walls. So the uh, we will utilize the offset command to do that. And so let's see, select this one and go for offset, or you can type off and enter. So it's already um, invoked. The offset command is invoked. Then we type the distance. So for the distance, let's type 3 inches, and you can either go up or down. For us, it will be up, right? Let's select the line, and from here go down up to here. Now select it, go to offset 3 inches towards right. We can do one more offset, I guess, over here. Select the line, start from here to 2 feet, then select the line, go for offset 3 inches and on the upper direction. Okay, just close the line. Let's create some openings for windows and doors using the offset command that we learned just now. So let's go for a polyline, and from here let's go down for 4 feet, and then click enter. This is our first end. Select this, copy. For the window it should be around 4 feet. So yeah, that's our first window. Similarly, let's create another one from here to up. Okay, and we select this, go for offset 4 feet. Okay, so we have created two window opening over here and one over here. Let's create few more. So from here up, let's go for polyline. Select the midpoint of this one and go up to here, right? Now let's select offset, select this and go up 2 feet and one more. Yeah, now select this one and delete this. Perfect. Let's go again over here. So midpoint, go up. Select this, go for offset for 2 feet. Okay, yeah, 2 feet is too much. So let's make this window a bit shorter. Select offset 1 feet. Again select this one towards left. Now select the middle one. Again delete it. So we have one window, two window, three, four. 4 windows, one more we need over here. So let's go for polylining. Let's go from this side up 4 feet to here. And select this. Go for offset 4 feet. Please. Let's do some for the door. So let's select the polyline. Start from middle. Make sure your snapping points are click for the middle. Alright. Object snap for the midpoint is ticked. Now come to polyline. Select the middle. Go over here. Enter. And how much we need is for the door 32 inches. So we'll go 16 and 16 on both sides. Go offset. Select this. 60 inches. Right. Select the middle one. Delete it. So we have our first door. Let's do one more door over here. Yeah. So the second door from let's say from this point come up 2 feet up 32 inches. Okay, now we'll remove all this, right? So we have our door over here. So yeah, that's it in the offset command. We'll slowly modify all the different different things that we have in our floor plan. If you have any doubts for the offset command, feel free to comment down below.